Hello and welcome. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to combine the Twitch and YouTube chat, because if you're multi-streaming, and you're going to quickly realize that having the YouTube and the Twitch chat on two different windows is completely less than ideal. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. I like to thank this creator right here, Nutty, for actually making a video on this same exact topic, which showed me how to do it. But I've been asked this question, so I figured let me make my own video with what I've learned about it as well. So I'm going to do exactly that. So what you're going to want to start off doing is go to streamer.bot. Go ahead and click on the first link right here. If you're using Windows, it might differ if you're using another type of computer, maybe like MacBook or something else. But you're going to want to wait, obviously, for this to download. Once it's downloaded, I do have a duplicate file here. So for you, it wouldn't have done that. But extract the folder, as one does when they download a folder. Once it pulls up, scroll down until you find the actual application, which it should be under streamer.bot.exe. Open that up, click more info, and run anyway. Once you're here, select platforms. You may not immediately get to this page. Make sure that you click on Twitch and then accounts. Once you're there, log in with your Twitch account. Authorize. Once that's logged in, you should see it here. You're going to want to do the same thing for bot. Perfect. Then to connect YouTube, click on the YouTube tab, click on I agree, click on account, and then sign in with your Google/YouTube account. Once you've logged in, make sure you select manage your YouTube account and then hit continue. Perfect. So you're all set. Do the same thing for the bot account, and then I'll see you right back here. And you're done. Once that's connected, you should be able to click chat. Now it will show the toggle Twitch and the toggle YouTube buttons, but you'll also see it at the top here with the individual Twitch and YouTube buttons. So if you wanted to view the chats on an individual level, you can do that. But for the sake of this is how you combine it, is you could see it with all. Now, what makes this program really cool with the streamer bot is the fact that you don't lose accessibility. What I mean by that is if you click on viewer card, you can see the history of every individual person's messages, and that's for the history of forever. And then you could also go and view channels that way too, which is really cool. So that way you don't have to exit out of this window or leave the chat to be able to go on YouTube or Twitch to access these sort of things. Now, you may notice the no user quick actions found. Here is where you can assign quick actions like making somebody VIP or anything that you would want on a hotbar just to make quality of life easier. But that's it. You have successfully taken your YouTube chat and your Twitch chat and combined them. So that way you're no longer hunting for windows or not knowing what people are saying or just losing your mind on stream like I was. So if you have any questions, something didn't work properly, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Otherwise, it would mean the absolute world to me if you did like the video, if you liked the video, or subscribed if you are interested in learning more tips and tricks as a streamer. My job here on this YouTube channel is to make your life easier when I do come across things as a streamer that make my life easier. So thank you so much for watching. I do truly appreciate it. I hope that you found this video to be very helpful, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you again soon.